It's time for Kaufman Stigger FAQ.
Welcome back to Wave 3 Listens. When you hear the word lawsuit, do you think negative thoughts? Is the connotation negative? Well, let's find out about the truth and the myths about lawsuits. We have the professionals from Kaufman and Stigger with us now. Kirsten Schumann is with us. Kirsten, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Kara Stigger is back with us. Kara, welcome back.
Thank you.
All right. When I think lawsuit, I do think negative about, oh, I don't want to be in a lawsuit. Why is that?
Well, you hear bad things about lawsuits on TV all the time. But basically, the justice system in Kentucky has been tracking lawsuits, and since 2008, in Jefferson County and in Fayette County, they're down. In Jefferson County, they're down about a third since 2008, and in Fayette County, they're down 50% since 2008. Basically, as we tell people when they call in, you're not going to be involved in a lawsuit right away if you're involved in an accident of any sort, a slip and fall or a car accident. You would be making an insurance claim. Much like if your roof was damaged by hail, you would call up your insurance company and make an insurance claim. We're not suing anyone right away, you're making an insurance claim. And it's more important to do that when you're involved in an accident because you're injured, you're hurt, you want to make sure you take care of yourself.
So why do people hesitate? Because really that's what you pay insurance premiums for, right, Kara? I mean, sometimes I think, oh, I don't want to call my insurance company, I want to keep them out of this, but isn't that what you're paying for?
It's exactly what you're paying for, yes. And that they have trained adjusters that are ready, and that's their job, is to evaluate and make a decision on whether they're going to settle with you or offer you money, or they're going to say, no, we don't think you're injured or you're at fault, or whatever the case may be. That's the situations where you might have to get into a lawsuit.
All right. And Kirsten, how do I avoid a lawsuit? If you say, okay, I want to avoid this lawsuit, how do you do that?
Well, the first thing, going back to when I was talking about like making a homeowner's claim for hail damage, is you wouldn't fix your roof yourself. So the first thing is to get somebody who's experienced in the area of dealing with those claims. And many times an attorney's office, if you get them involved early, we can look into investigating the claim, as you've spoken with members of our firm before, getting pictures, getting someone out to the accident scene. We've had also cases where we've had videotapes that we've been able to gather from businesses that were near an accident. Their city buses sometimes have videotapes on board as well, and we've actually had some actual accidents captured on video, which is quite interesting. And if you slip in a business, sometimes there are video cameras that capture that, and that evidence can be lost if it's not captured right away. So many times it's very important to get somebody involved right away who's experienced in the area, who knows how to evaluate claims, who knows how to investigate claims.
Kirsten, you said something at the beginning of the segment that really caught my ear. You said that the really lawsuits are down. So this gives me hope. Are we becoming more efficient as a government as far as legal matters are concerned? Kara, is that fair to say?
Somewhat, yes. I think the system has changed through the years, where now there are things called mediation, where you can mediate a case even without filing a lawsuit. And there's lots more opportunities to work out matters without going to the court system today, where 15 years ago we didn't have those maneuvers to get us around the court system. So I think that's part of why the court cases are down. But also I think attorneys, us for example, I think we're experienced and we're better able to resolve cases and keep them out of the court system than maybe people who aren't experienced with auto accidents.
All right, Kirsten, thank you very much. Kara, thank you very much. If you find yourself in a lawsuit, you need the professional help of Kaufman and Stigger. Give them a call. I promise you, as you can tell, compassionate, but yet they can cut to the chase. They know exactly what they're doing. Appreciate the legal advice. We'll be right back on Wave 3 Listens.